Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 12th of February. Let's have a look at cable, which is again another market that is under pressure from this stronger dollar. Weaker sterling was not certainly helpful yesterday either, but stabilised to an extent today, but certainly that negative candle from yesterday's session, which took us decisively back below 129.20, which was an old pivot. Moving back below that pivot, you're sort of under pressure again for the 28.15 level. That is an old breakout level from December and January, which became supportive. So that is the next test for this market on the downside. We've got this corrective phase in the last couple of weeks, which is the downtrend coming through. You've got the RSI back below 50. Sort of at a level which it was back in January. So that was throughout consolidation from a bear phase, so it's an interesting sort of basis that you need to see the market holding up around these sort of levels on the RSI, but the MACD lines are still accelerating lower, as are the stochastics, with, I might add, a bear kiss on the stochastics lower, so that it doesn't look especially positive. And certainly if you break below 28.15, I suppose, confirmed below 28 figure, then you're looking at 27 figure, 26.60, these old lows, which again were sort of pivotal, I suppose, through December into January, so could be back into this range 27 down to 26.60 area if we break 28.15. So it's not looking especially positive at the moment. You've got lower highs, lower lows on the hourly chart. You can see the negative configuration on the momentum. You've got 60 that limits on the RSI, generally sort of falling away, moving towards 30 and below. You've got MACD lines which are failing around neutral, so all these are fairly classic bear configuration positions on these indicators. You've got the 89-hour moving average, which has been a basis of resistance on the way down. That comes in, if I zoom in, comes in around 29.20. Again, that old pivot. So that old pivot is now a basis of resistance for this chart. So you need to see a decisive break back above 29.20 to really start to improve the outlook. And for now, it looks certainly that the continuation of the corrective move towards test of 28.15 is on. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.